Stitch on Saturday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Tunisian double crochet stitch. Here I have Karen's Simply Soft and Harvest Red, and I will be using my Furls Tunisian Crochet Cruella de Vil hook in 6mm. And let's get started. This one is super easy, super simple, especially if you know how to do double crochet. It's like a cross between Tunisian and double crochet, literally. All right, so I have 20 stitches and I've completed my foundation row and just done Tunisian simple stitch across. Did a foundation row, and I'm gonna link to my full tutorial for how to do the foundation row and Tunisian simple stitch. You can click the eye above in the corner there and it'll take you to the full video. So this is, if this is the first time you are trying Tunisian crochet, you can check that video out first. And then basically what a Tunisian double crochet is, basically you are gonna insert, you're gonna do a yarn over, insert your hook into the vertical bar, pull up a loop, and just pull through 2. So it's literally like you're doing a double crochet but with Tunisian. So again, yarn over, gonna go through the vertical bar, pull up a loop, and then just pull through those 2 loops. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next vertical bar, pull up a loop, and then pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the next vertical bar, and then pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull up a loop in the next vertical bar, and then it's super simple, and it's a great easy stitch and gives a nice texture. Oops, forgot to do my yarn over, then pull up a yarn over, go to the next vertical bar, pull up a loop. This would be a really nice stitch for like a lacy design, just because it's kind of extending the stitch here, and it's kind of open. So yarn over, then go through your next vertical bar and pull through 2. Yarn over, oops, did I do? Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2. And you're just gonna keep going across like that. Yarn over, there you go. And then yarn over, go in, pull through 2, yarn over, there, through 2, and then we're just gonna complete the last stitch as normal. Go under both loops, and then we're just gonna do our normal return pass. So chain 1, and then we're just doing a return pass across as we normally do. Right. All right. So this is what it's starting to look like. It's a very nice texture. Alright, so I'm going to continue. So we are doing yarn over, go through the next vertical bar, pull up a loop, and then pull through 2. Yarn over, pull up a loop to the next bar, and then yarn over, just go across that way. Oops. And that's pretty much it. And it gives some really nice texture. It looks beautiful. Okay, yarn over, go through the next stitch, loop a loop, then we're just gonna do that. Okay, and that's it. Super simple, nice repeat stitch to work on, you know, squares or just like a simple scarf or something like that. Very easy to remember, right? That's it. Now I'm just gonna do my return pass and then show you guys a close-up, and that's it. Super simple repeat pattern here. Oops, grabbed an extra stitch here. I'm sure I'll use this stitch in a square or something for sure that I will work on next. Keep a lookout. We're going to be starting our cozy fall make-along soon. It's a charity blog event that I'll be co-hosting with my friend Hortense from Knitting with Chopsticks. If you'd like to know more, be sure to check out the description. I will add a link, or I'll add a description to tell you a little bit more about it. Alright, and this is what the Tunisian double crochet stitch looks like. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions or if you want to see any other specific tutorials. I'd be happy to share. And that's about it. I will catch you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, all that fun stuff, and hit the bell so that you don't miss any of my tutorials and all the fun stuff. Alright, thanks for watching.